Hello, everyone. We're back in the kitchen. So tonight we are making some of Papa's favorite cookies. They are his absolute favorite, especially 2 days before the big day, because y'all leave them cookies. So I make him skip the cookies the day before because that's way too many calories for Papa. Let's look at these. These are Milano reindeer cookies. This is what we're making today. So let's get started. What do you need? You need pretzels. I bet you the regular size pretzels would work just a little better. So pretzels. You need mini M&Ms. Ooh. You need plain M&Ms. Yummy. You need Milano cookies, powdered sugar, and icing. So, oh yeah, one more. You need marshmallow cream. We use this a lot. This is like an ingredient. This is like a staple ingredient for me and Papa. Hello, everyone. Y'all come on in. Let's get to cooking in the kitchen. We are going to make 3 of these. 3 of these. They are reindeer cookies. So I'm excited about them. And guess what? There's no cooking involved. It's kind of just planning through. That's what's amazing. All right, you ready? So here's what you're going to do. You are going to take your fluff. You're going to take your fluff. You're going to take your cookie like this. Find the best one to make the reindeer. The best one. You're going to take your little antler. I've got 3 made up here. And you're just going to put stay fluff on that. I'm going to put it right there like that. It's going to hold it. It's going to dry and it's going to hold it. Look at that. Super cute. All right, we're going to do this other side. All right. Okay. We got that on there. It's going to be so cute. Look at that, y'all. It's going to be so cute. So, this looks like snow on their antlers there, but they got to dry. So, don't worry about it. They'll dry. Not everybody holds their cookies up like that. I'm going to take this powdered sugar and this tiny spoon so that they will start to dry a little bit faster. All right. I'm going to take this. Let me get my little thing out. I'm going to take my powdered sugar. I'm just going to dump it on that. Boy, they're like elastic over here. It's going to be like snow on the reindeer. Maybe I need to put a little more. Let me go ahead and let me pour a little more. Because it'll dry really good. I'm going to put a little more marshmallow on it so y'all can do the same, because it's going to look like snow on the reindeer. And then those can dry. I'm going to put a little bit more powdered sugar on it. These are the antlers. You might have to brace them down a little bit. There we go. They keep moving. Hold them on with a rubber band. Use parchment paper and go from this side like that. They keep moving on me. You know what? Maybe we do that. Maybe we do that part last. Put that aside. Get started on the rest. We'll do the antlers last so they lay flat and they dry. You do the same thing. So, I know these cookies aren't rocket science. All right. Pick 2 that you want to do. This one, they always have this little nub where the cookies went. So I'm going to put the nose on there. You're going to take your icing. A lot of times there's a tube one. And I'm just going to put a dot right there where the nose will be. This is going to dry. It's going to dry on there. And it's going to make the... Papa, stop texting me. I'm making your cookies. Okay? Papa trying to text me. We're making Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. He's wanting these cookies. He is wanting these cookies so terribly bad. All right. So here's the nose. So far, so cute. And then we'll do the antlers last. We have to do the antlers last. All right. Same with this. I'm just going to put 2 dots for eyes. And you want to do a little bit bigger dot with this one than the mini, because this is the white part of their eyes. So this is how I got it. I'm going to take my mini M&M. I'm going to put it right in the middle there. Oh my goodness, this is going to be adorable. Papa, this is Papa's favorite type. Look at there. Isn't that so cute? Now, we made the mistake of putting them on the side. So what if we took these antlers and took them to the side? Oh yeah, this is going to work way better. And made a little snow on them. You could even take you out a little red, green M&M. There we go. We got it. Super cute. There it is. All ready for Papa. Let me show you the grand finale here. All ready for Papa. So you could even take a little bit more and put like snow on it. He's going to dry. I'm going to set him right there. Let's do one more, okay? Let's do it. We're going to dot these eyes. Dot your I's and cross your T's. This recipe is not for the faint of heart. It is not for the faint of heart. It is super delicious. It's super cute. If you're doing a cookie exchange or something like that, it's perfect for that. Do you do a cookie exchange? Have you ever done that? That's something super cute that adults start doing. Looky here. Now we're cooking with canola oil. Right now we're cooking. I'm going to take that fluff. I'm going to do that antler right here, right on top. We're going to do the other one. And then, don't move, antler. Don't move, antler. And sometimes you got to talk to your cookies because they'll move. Look at that. Super cute. Make them all different if you want. I'm going to put a little bit of powdered sugar on that so it gets to drying faster than the marshmallow fluff will dry. All right, there we go. Here we go, y'all. We're gonna do one more. Only because I said I'm gonna do 3, I am going to do 3. Pick that little nub where the cookie has made its entrance. I'm gonna put a little ice in there. I really don't want the white part to show because Rudolph. Now you can use a brown. Let's just go ahead and do that. You can use a brown M&M to make it a regular. So you could do 8 tiny reindeer and Rudolph, which would be super cute on a tray. And we're gonna do brown eyes. You ready? Pop that icing a little bit bigger than the nose because you want that white to show. You want the white to, bless you, Papa. Did you hear Papa? He sneezed. He's allergic to not eating cookies, y'all. He's allergic to not eating. Uh-oh, there he goes again. Bless you. Here we are. This is going to be a regular one, not Rudolph. Here's his antlers. All right, kids, so when you do this, go ahead and tag Mrs. Claus in the video. We're going to do a small reindeer one here. Do one with some crooked horns or whatever. Whatever that looks like. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can even take that and go at the edge right there and make little antlers. All right, guys. That's our cookies. That actually worked a little better, and it won't slide as much. There's our cookies. You make some and tag me in the video. These are Rudolph cookies, but you could make Dancer and Prancer and Comet and Cupid. You make all of the reindeer. Y'all have a great night. And if I don't see you before, yes, the mini M&Ms are delicious. If I don't see you before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your family. Good night. Oh, get the hearts a-flowing. You know we got to do that for Mrs. Claus. Get those hearts a-flowing. And happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Bye-bye.